21st International Workshop on Neonatology. We are here with Professor Georgios Mitsiakos, co-president of the workshop, and he has just finished his talk, and we want to ask him the new perspectives of premedication in neonatology.
The premedication for non-emergency intubated neonatology is very important. Why is very important? Because the laryngoscopy and intubation are an invasive procedure and stressful procedure for neonates and affecting nervous and cardiovascular system. So for us and for babies, it's very important to decrease all these effects to nervous and cardiovascular system. The premedication is useful because decrease these effects.
Could you spend some words about the second Balkan meeting on neonatology?
About my opinion, it's an excellent and very important meeting for all Balkan neonatologists because give the opportunity to us to share our experience and to collaborate between neonatologists of Balkan countries.
Thank you very much indeed, Professor.